What's going on, party people? It's the James of all trades, the master of none, back in the TOY-bBOX garage for video number 2 from the TOY-bBOX garage. Now it's been, I'm going to say years coming that I've over 100 times rolled the shitty clips. And we are finally starting the XB, I promise. I'm still waiting on the airbags to be finished for the XB. After I'm done with the truck, after I'm done getting the orange car running good, and then get this one finished and out of here, then we're going to pull that in, we're going to gut it, strip it down, put it up on blocks, well, on jack stands, and we're going to start on that.
I've got my ticket and I'm going away. Can't stand to be with you another day. You talk, but you don't make sense. And you're as ugly as a tall mud fence. All you wanna do is waste my time. That's a fact. And all you're gonna do.
My air management system for the XB. Yes. Then we're gonna be making an XB series. Yeah, that's gonna be a super fun build, and I cannot wait to get to it. So stay tuned. And then soon we're gonna be working on the XB. Hope you're getting excited, because I am. But the next project, I'm gonna hit the old Green Goblin back up. I'm gonna hit the toaster, the little brave little toaster back up, and we're gonna do some work on the little toaster. And we'll see you back in the garage next week for the XB teardown. We are gonna finish it today. So next morning, we're gonna finish this today. So I don't know what possessed me to think that I could get all of this done in one day. Holy crap, that was insane. Now I know what you're thinking. Cool, now we can put the XB together. No! When this is all done and the white car is all done, we have the XB teardown. It's here, it's gonna happen. I'm freaking excited. I have a lot of XB stuff, but I'm not getting started. Pull this in over there. I know I always say I need to work on the XB. What do you think about that? You know what? I don't wanna hear it. Don't even say nothing. I don't wanna hear it. I don't wanna hear it. One day turned into 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, a couple of weeks. Here we are. What do you think of that? I don't care. I don't care what you think. We're gonna get started on the XB. Yeah, said it over and over and over. Well, guess what? Today's the fucking day. We're getting started on the XB. We've got Supervisor Lulu in the house watching us. And today we're actually going to get started. We're going to get her up in the air on jack stands. We're going to get those wheels off. And we're going to start pulling seats, start pulling panels, get that steering wheel off, get that center dash off, maybe take the whole dash out. No, we're not taking the whole dash out. We'll just see how far along we get today. Like I said, we'll get her up in the air on jack stands and we'll start gutting her. All right, she's up in the air. Let's get these wheels off. If it ain't one thing, it's a motherfucking nother. Word to your brother and your sister and your mother. Passenger front is off. Perfect, it's a good start. Wheels off, good. Let's take a look at these wheels real quick and see if we find anything obvious. Dude, these things are so flat. They're in the training bras. I'm gonna see a couple of rocks, but I don't see anything that would cause a leak. That sucks. That means we're gonna have to fill them up and, oh, I found it. Where'd it go? Right there. Oh yeah. Let me scrape this top off so you can see it. Kind of looked like a rock at first. Take a look at this. Right there. That's nice because that'll be an easy patch. And it's far enough away from the sidewall that it's not a big deal. We can now look at the front one too. Let me mark that before I forget. There we go. Good. Now I won't lose it. Unless I can somehow come up with $800 in the next couple, I don't know, next month or two. These are gonna remain drums. If I can come up with $800 plus shipping, I'm gonna get the rear conversion kit to disc brakes. So that'd be the only reason that these need to come back off, but I think we're all right. I'm definitely gonna invest in some brake pads because the ones that I bought for the fronts here, bro, brake dust galore. Never seen so much brake dust. Anyway, let's see what we have here. More rocks. Oh, these rocks are vicious here. Oh, wait. Don't tell me that's not one. Okay, good. And this one still has some weight behind it, so I don't know if it's cold, got a little low. It's got some air in it. It just maybe just looked low, and it's not. I mean, it sounds like it's low. It's gotta be leaking somewhere. Bruh, it's gotta be leaking somewhere, bruh. Unfortunately, I don't see anything. So yeah, we might have to add some air to this guy and spray some water on it, see if we can't find a leak. This one's never gone low on me, so the fact that it's low now definitely tells me that it got some sort of a leak. And all I'm finding is a bunch of pebbles in the treads. No metal, no... Oh, wait. Nope. Well, just rocks. Oh, wait. Nope, pebbles galore. Just a bunch of pebbles. We're gonna have to do a little research on this guy because I don't know where this one's leaking from. This one's good. So we're gonna have to fill that one up with air, spray some soapy water on it to find where the bubbles come from. Okay, where we sit right now, up in the air on jack stands, we are gonna take off the rear bumper, the spoiler. We're gonna take the side skirts off. We're gonna take the front bumper off. I think that's it for the body panels. Take the mirrors off because I bought a camera system for this that's a 360 camera, and I'd like to put the cameras under the mirrors here. I'd also like to install some puddle courtesy lights. So we're gonna install lighting under here, under the hood, to light the heck underneath the hood here. Of course, I've got some engine parts to swap out. I don't think we're gonna do anything with the headlights. I'm really happy with them. I do wanna find some clear housings for the fog lights. For now, we're just gonna start with taking those panels off. Let's get to it. Now, I've never taken these off, so I don't know what's involved, but we'll figure it out. We will get to that right after these messages. Brief break. Here's the deal. I had to take care of a couple things in the house real quick. We're gonna continue stripping this XB and gutting it, and then we're gonna take all the parts that we take off out to the storage shed because they're gonna be off for a little while. Let's take a look. Look at this. It's warm enough today in January. It's like almost 60 degrees. It's warm enough today that I have the garage doors open, both of them. Fucking beautiful, love it. But you know about that, them drum brakes though. Ugh. Wheels are off. And that's as far as we've gotten. Next, we're gonna take this off. We're gonna take the rear bumper off. We're gonna take the back seat out, the front seats out, top of the dash off, and probably all of the pillars because we're gonna need to run wire everywhere. And then we're gonna get the headliner out of here because that's gonna need work too. That's the deal. Let's get going. Bruh. 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 That whole time, the whole video, the whole freaking time, I was not recording because I didn't turn the mic on. How do you like that? Boo fucking kitty fuck. There we go. Zit pie meal. Let's see here. Speaker wire. So this is good wire. If I'm not mistaken, this is Bull's audio, B-U-L-L-Z. Let's get that back seat out, shall we? Three bolts back here. I can almost assure you that there's three more on the other side, under cushion portion of the seat. So let's get that out of there. Back seat cushion. Okay, so it wasn't 100% right. There is one more in the front here. That should be it. These Milwaukee tools are fucking phenomenal, man. I cannot say enough good things about them. For a quarter ratchet, that thing is a beast. But there you go. Back seat completely out. All right, well, let's continue taking crap apart. I'm going to get this bottom panel off, which involves getting this bad boy off. This is just clipped in place. There you go. Took the seat belt off. That was that last bolt that I just did. Holy shit, dust. That's a lot of dust. Look at all that freaking dust, dude. Damn, bro. Okay, so I'm taking this off. This was closed like that. You just pry it from the underside here, pops it up, and then you got a bolt right there. It's a 15, I'm assuming, just like the bottom seatbelt bolt. Yeah, or a 14. Yeah. I'm just going to close this back with the bolt in it. Then I won't lose the bolt, and I know where the bolt goes. Okay, that being said, it looks like I don't think there's anything else holding this panel in. So I'm just going to pop it. And there, she's off. Same thing that you just saw, we're going to do on this side. So bottom seat belt right here, you can't see it, but upper seat belt bolt. Pry it outward, there we go. Oh, this one had a spacer. That side did not have a spacer. Shit, missing parts? Don't love that. Lift from here, I guess. Pull forward. Same thing on this side. Lift from the bottom here and pull forward. Okay, and then the upper panel, since we already took the upper seatbelt bolt off, just grab it right here, pull. There you go. The back, she's gutted. I'm going to put these hand-tie Allen bolts back in place so I don't lose them. Now to keep the seatbelt out of the way, we're going to go ahead and put her and her spacer so don't lose that. That's fucking nuts. And then I'm going to put the bottom bolts for the seatbelt back in place too. Seatbelt bolt. And this is the seat hinge bolt. Let's do the handle. Normally you get a little like tiny flathead and just pry that open. And a couple of 10s, what do you know? Now put these bolts back in place, close the handle, and then I don't lose any bolts. So let's get these front seats out. Looks like we got a couple 14s up here. And likely all of the bolts are going to be 14s. Let's do this. Boom. All right, let me get this center console out of here. That's how I forgot. Here's the bottom piece. There you go. We're gonna take out this center console. We got the majority of this thing taken apart, which is pretty good. I was planning on pulling the whole carpet out anyways, but yeah, now I really got to pull the whole carpet out. This goes with the center console. This is my gain knob, if you will. Did I just say gain knob? Gain knob. All right, you guys, let's take a look at what we have. So this is my center console, or my armrest. This is the actual center console. Yeah, look at what we have here. There's my back seat back, bumpers and side skirts, driver's seat, driver's side rear panels, back seat, hatch area panels, center console panel, passenger side seat and panels, passenger side rear panels, my box, and my covers for the rear cargo area, and my handles, the oh shit handles. So that's all we have left. We're gonna pull that out next and take the top section of the dash off. The bottom section of the dash is all that's gonna be left. We don't need to pull that out. We are gonna pull these out, these door cards out in the rear. We gotta pull the fronts too. And then we gotta pull the pillars, the visors, the rear view mirror, the dome light, and finally the headliner. And that's all. Then she'll be gutted and we can actually start installing stuff. So, oh, we're gonna pull the carpet too. Look. See down there? Look at that shit. That's probably where all this dust is coming from. I'm gonna have to fix all this, cause yeah, that's where all that dirt's coming in. Probably on this side too. Yep, for sure. That's where we're gonna leave her for today, you guys. I'm gonna call it an episode. I'm gonna call it a video. That is gutting 101, and on the next video we're gonna do gutting 102. So thanks for tuning in. Thanks for always coming back, liking, commenting, subscribing, sharing with your friends, and we'll see you on the next episode of the Toy Box Garage. Bye.